Lloyd still carries the scar nearly 30 years after a Tsuchi Free Clinic in the Philippines saved his life.
Nabigyan nila ako ng second life nga. Natulungan po nila yung family ko. Ako, lalo na po personally, na mapagamot yung sakit ko na Hirschsprung disease na. Ito na po ako ngayon, healthy.
At just 1 year old, Lloyd was diagnosed with congenital megacolon, a life-threatening condition if left untreated. But surgery was impossible, as his father couldn't afford it and local resources were limited.
Mahirap po. Talaga napakahirap nung gano'n na may anak na may sakit. Kaya habang nagjo-duty, yun, iniisip ko sila, gano'n.
他没有肛门，所以他如果吃太多东西，他会腹胀，他会吐，他不能排便呐。
Everything changed when Edmund learned of a Tsuchi Free Clinic. He rushed Lloyd there, and volunteers arranged an 8-hour surgery for Lloyd.
Natawa pa nga ako nung lumabas eh. Yung anak ko, naka-4 pang ganyan eh. Nakaganyan pa siya eh. Parang walang nangyari ka ako. Malakas ka ako, malakas yung baby.
他是大学没读完，大二就辍学了，因为他要供3个弟妹读书，兄妹功课成绩都很好。
Thanks to the surgery, Lloyd now enjoys sports and shows talent in the arts. After helping his siblings finish their studies, he plans to return to college to complete his own degree. The ITV reports.